To collect writing that students have done in the Pages app, we need to create an assignment in Canvas. So you would go to your assignments and click on New Assignment. Give it a name like usual. Type your directions. Give it the number of points that the writing will be worth, if any. If you use assignment groups in your list, you can choose which group this will go into. Probably stay with points here. Make sure in the submission type that you're doing an online submission with file upload, and then go down to the bottom, assign it to whomever you want to assign it to, select your due date and your available dates if you choose to do that, and create by hitting save and publish. If you just click save, it'll save it for you, but you'll have to go back and publish it before the students are able to see it. From the student's point of view, in submitting a Pages assignment, the student needs to have the Canvas student app on their iPad, and they need to be signed into the app for this to work. So we are going to open up Pages, find our document, and hit the three little dots in the upper right corner. We're going to use the export button to send this. And then we have our four options in how we want to send it. If I use the share button instead of the export button, it would send it as a Pages file. We're probably going to want to send it as a PDF so we can open it on any of our devices. So if we send it as a PDF, it's going to say, how do you want to send it? We're going to slide over until we find Copy to Student. And this sends it to the Canvas app. And then it's also going to take us directly to the Canvas app and tell us that the file is received. And it holds the file that we just sent in Canvas until we select it and actually submit it with our assignment. So we find our assignment, uploaded Pages writing, and our directions are on the front page. We hit the Submission tab, choose Turn In. Then we're going to slide sideways until we find the file that Canvas is holding for us. Tap on it to select it and hit Submit. And then you can see that that Pages PDF assignment has been turned in. If in Pages a student used the three little dots and then chose to share it instead of export it as a PDF, the process should be about the same. Copy to student. The file is received. I would go to Turn In, find the file, select it, and submit it. You can see that this one came in as a Pages file instead of a PDF, and we'll see the difference of that when we look at it from the teacher end. It has been submitted by the students. Then the teacher can go back to the assignment page and go to the Speedgrader, and you'll see this is the Pages assignment that we submitted when we used the share button. In order to open this and view it from the teacher's end, I would have to be on my iPad, and then I'd have to choose Open In and open it in Pages, and I could see it. That's not typically what we want to have to do if we're grading assignments. So I'm going to go over here and choose the Submission to View and take a look at the other one. You can see that this is the one we submitted as a PDF file instead of as a Pages file, where we used the export button and chose PDF. We can see it right here within Canvas, and we don't have to open in anything else. We could use the markup tools to write on it. We can put our grade and our comments in and then submit it back to the student. So unless you really have a reason for wanting it as a Pages assignment, then I would just have them submit it as a PDF. You can do something similar with a Word file. They could export it as a Word file. You would not be able to open that inside of Canvas. You would have a little link and you could open it in Word if there was some reason that you wanted to do that. But for the most part, if you just want to see and be able to grade what the students have done, have them use the export button, send it as a PDF, and then you'll be able to see it right here within Canvas.